you don't want your house to smell like weed, then this is how I'm going to keep doing my best to teaching you different ways and different thought process of how to make certain food, how to infuse certain food, and how to enjoy your food so you can enjoy your high. Because sometimes I just want to be high. Sometimes I need to feel that sativa to feel better about the day. Sometimes I need that indica to feel relaxed so I can relax for the day. And these are different methods that you can do. Tinctures, different forms of edibles, garlic infused oil. If this is something that you are interested in, please go ahead and share this with your friends. First, I'll tell everybody. Tell everyone.